What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, back in the garage. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a little install on my dad's Tundra. For Father's Day, I had bought him some headlights because it's already kind of yellow and beat up. So I'll be walking you through the process of that install. If you guys were curious, I did fix the Subaru. I don't know if you guys can see, but finally put the carbon fiber lip on. The other side, put the fog light bezel. Go around so I can show you guys. Here's my old splitter, my chassis mounted splitter. Use the fog light bezel, so the car looks good. I installed the bumper clips. I'm crazy right now. I installed my bumper clips so the bumper does sit flush now. So yeah, Subaru's back at 100. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna be walking you guys through this little install on the headlights. There's supposed to be 2 clips right here, but I think last time we had broke them, so we, improvised with zip ties. But it's gonna be these 2 bolts. You're gonna have to pop this cover off, put like a pry tool in here and just pry it out. We'll twist because there's like a little clip in here. So you're gonna pry this out, and there's gonna be another bolt back here in this corner. 3 bolts, and it should slide out. Here's the box from where I had the headlights, so I'll open this up and I'll show you guys what they look like. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, there we go. These are the headlights. Obviously I still have the foam on there, but these are the headlights that I went with to get them. Upside down, my fault. That's what they look like. Yeah, let's get to this install. You guys, for this install, you basically really need 2 tools, which is 10mm socket, and then you need the pry tool. So like I said, it's going to be these 2 bolts on top. And then how I mentioned previously that we put zip ties instead of those clips because we broke those clips before. I'm going to cut these. You guys could just pry them. Then from the video that I've seen, this little crevice right here, crack, whatever. And then you get your pry tool, stick it in between. And this you're going to twist. Just like that. I don't want that to pop off like that, but it's alright, nothing happened. If you guys can see, there is that 10mm right there. Now that you guys got all the bolts off, just pry tool. There it is. So you remove a headlight on a 2008, I believe like 2013 Toyota Tundra. Alright, so these are both the headlights right here. As you can see, these are both the passenger headlights. Let's remove. There we go. That is so sweet. So if the headlights you guys ordered didn't come with any bulbs, obviously you're gonna get your old headlight housing, pull those bulbs out, put them in the new spots and the new headlights. I'm pretty sure I don't have to walk you guys through that, so I'm just gonna do that real quick and then we'll get to installing it. Okay guys, so there is the passenger side, and that looks actually really good compared to the OEM headlights. I don't know if you guys can really tell. Man, that does look really, really nice. Like I said, just those 2 bolts on top. Pop this panel off, there's 110 on the side. And then, you guys have clips. We put zip ties. but everything's already plugged in. Let me show you guys the main differences. Turn all the lights on, the high beams, and the hazards. So that's the difference right there. There it is. Turn signals. The DRL actually shut off, so maybe it probably didn't plug in properly, so let me mess with that right now. But compared to the driver's side, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna fix the DRL and then we'll start on the driver's side. Alright guys, that's my fault. So I completely forgot that the DRLs won't work if you have the high beams on, and vice versa. If you have the high beams or the DRLs on, you know, so the high beams won't turn on. But that's what it looks like with the DRLs on. On this side, I actually really like it. Looks pretty sick. It's the differences right there. So now, like I said, let's start on the driver's side, and yeah, I'll show you guys the final product. Alright guys, so I don't know how good you guys can hear me, but that's the install on the truck, the headlights at least. I really like it. I'm digging it. She looks sick. These are with the DRLs on. Looks sick as hell, man. I feel like it completely changes the look of the truck. Let me turn the headlights on. And it changes the headlight, the actual headlight to a projector. So that's another sick thing. I still obviously have to adjust, you know, the height of the headlights, because one might be higher than the other. That's usually how it goes when installing headlights. These are with the high beams on. Driver's side. I'll do the hazards just to show you guys what these headlights look like. Yeah, I'm gonna do a couple more like clips for like Instagram and stuff. If you guys don't follow me already on Instagram, my Instagram is WRX_Dom, if you guys want to follow. So I'm gonna do that real quick and then I'll continue with the video. Alright, what up you guys? It's a couple days later. As you can see, we have the Taco here, we got Tundra in the back, and we got some boxes. So as you can tell, I have one of the mirror caps off. So I had actually ordered some carbon fiber mirror caps. Well, what I thought was carbon fiber. Obviously I have my OEM mirror cap off. Like I said, I thought these were carbon fiber, like real carbon fiber, but this is literally just stick on. It's like a hydro dip plastic. Looks a little cheesy, I'm not gonna lie. I got this from Tacoma Lifestyle. Like I said, I thought this was real carbon fiber, guys, but it's not. I'm still gonna throw it on, see how I like it. It's literally only clipped in and held down by double-sided tape, so I mean, worst comes to worst, I could always just pull it off. But what we are going to be installing are some blacked out turn signal lenses, whatever the hell you want to call this. This is a sequential lens, also got it off of Tacoma Lifestyle. So from videos I've seen, it's literally just a Phillips, and there's this clip that you have to remove, and this whole lens right here will completely slide out. Just pop this new one in, so we're gonna get to that real quick. Alright guys, so this is the OEM side, regular mirror cap with the OEM turn signal in the mirror. And then this is the passenger side with the carbon fiber, hydro dipped carbon fiber, or whatever the hell you want to call this, mirror cap or overlay or whatever, and the blacked out sequential turn signal lens. I don't know how I feel about it, to be honest. I mean, probably leave it for a couple days, see if I like it, see if I don't. If you guys like it, let me know down in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna install this side, and then I'll turn the I can't even fucking talk. I'll turn the turn signals on, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so I did get the side on. I'm gonna turn the hazards on so you guys can see both of them. The ones with the what the hell is it called? I forgot the name of it. The hydro dip cap. This is what it looks like with the hydro dip carbon fiber mirror cap with the sequential blacked out lens turn signal, compared to the OEM mirror cap with the blacked out turn signal. I don't know which one I like better, to be honest. I mean, the fake carbon fiber don't look bad either, but I mean, I don't know. You guys let me know down in the comments what you guys prefer. I'm gonna get the other one installed and probably just call it a day, to be honest, because I got work tomorrow. But if you guys like the video, just like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos. So we get grow a bigger following, and do more things to the trucks, go on more trips, adventures. I really want to start a clothing brand, so maybe we could even do that, drop some merch later on though, obviously once I have a little bit more subscribers. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.